How to share calendars on iPhone. Hello everybody and welcome back to our channel. So let's get started without any further ado. For that, first of all, you want to go ahead and simply open the calendar application in your mobile device. Once you open the application, simply tap on calendars at the bottom of your screen. And just like so, inside here, you want to go ahead and select any calendar that you would like and then tap on this eye icon. Inside the section, you want to go ahead and simply tap on add person and enter the person's name or email address. Once you have entered the name, if you want to share with more person, just separate names or email with commas. And just like that, simply tap on add. And once you have added that person, they'll appear under share with. You want to go ahead and tap on their name, and if you would like them to allow or deny permissions of editing, you want to go ahead and toggle on or toggle off this button, or remove them if you change your mind. And just like so, after the invitation has been sent, the person you invited gets a notification on their email or message. They can join by tapping on join calendar. Well, that is simply how you can share calendars on iPhone. Thank you all for watching the video till the very end, and stay tuned until our next upload.